I don't always make desserts, but these things are amazing. Let's make my very own Oreo Cheesecake Cupcakes. They're always a big hit, and they're really easy to make. Food processor, 2 packs of Oreos. Pulse. You want crumbs. Remove half of it, 2 sticks of cube butter. Pulse. It turns a little doughy. Muffin tin with these fun things inside. Drop in about a tablespoon into each one. Then press them down. Now pop it into the fridge. 2 pounds of cream cheese, cup of sugar, teaspoon vanilla, 2 tablespoons of the Oreo crumbs. Pulse. 4 eggs, half cup of heavy cream, and the 4 eggs. Pulse just until it's combined. Delicious. Evenly distributed into the muffin tins and into a 275 oven. After about 25 minutes in the oven, you want it to jiggle slightly in the middle. Let it cool to room temp. Once it's cooled, add on the Oreo crumbs. Now pop it into the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight. You want it to be nice and cold. These things are incredible. Peel it open gently. Look at how cool that is in there. It's just like an Oreo, but cheesecake. It's so cool. Oh, yeah! Oh man, that's incredible. It's like an Oreo cheesecake. Amazing. It's bite-sized. It's perfect for everything. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow along for more fun recipes. Want some?